Hey Process Pros, today I'm going to walk you through the few ways that you can navigate your canvas. So no matter what canvas you're in, the workflow canvas, the team canvas, the people canvas, or the tool canvas, these rules will apply. First, I want to start with trackpad users. So if you're on a laptop and you use a trackpad instead of a mouse, the best ways to navigate is to use two fingers on the trackpad. And when you use two fingers to scroll left, up, down, and all around, you'll see that the canvas moves fluidly as if you're scrolling around an open space. If you want to zoom in or zoom out using a trackpad, you just pinch your fingers together to zoom out and pinch your fingers apart to zoom in. Additionally, if you're using a trackpad, you can still click the canvas and grab it to pan around the canvas as well. It's important to note that when you click the canvas, that you're not clicking on a step or a section border when you're trying to pan around. The reason why is because when you click on a specific step, the system's going to think that you want to move that step as opposed to pan around the canvas. Similarly, if you click on a section border right here, it's going to assume that you want to move the section as opposed to pan around the canvas. So make sure that you are clicking around the steps and off of the section borders, and you will pan around the canvas successfully. Okay, let's talk about mouse users. So if you're using a mouse and a keyboard, the best way to pan around the canvas is to click and grab the canvas. Very similar to the touchpad. The same rules apply. Make sure that you're not clicking on steps, or else it's going to think that you want to move steps. And make sure you're not clicking on section borders, or else it's going to think you want to move those sections. Make sure you're clicking in empty space in order to pan around the system. Now, if you're using a mouse and you're trying to zoom in and zoom out, the best way to do this is to hold down the command key and then use your scroll wheel to zoom out, or bring your scroll wheel closer to you to zoom in. And that's the easiest way to zoom in and zoom out if you're on a Mac. If you're on a Windows, it's the same thing, except you hold down Control. So if I hold down Control, you can see I can zoom out and zoom in using my scroll wheel. If none of these options work, we do have a manual zoom in, zoom out button at the bottom left-hand corner where you can zoom in and zoom out, clicking the plus and the minus respectively. Now you might be thinking, well, how do I bulk select items? If a simple click is to navigate around the canvas, then how can I select multiple items? Well, if you want to bulk select, all you have to do is hold down Shift, hold down your mouse, and select all items. And you'll notice that's what allows you to select multiple steps, which brings up your bulk edit pill down here. If you're interested in learning more about the bulk action feature, check out that video on the bulk actions. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions or new topics that you would like to see.